How to stake crypto on Huobi Earn. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. From the dashboard, tap on Earn in the menu or Explore section to access all staking and earning products. Next, browse through the available crypto staking options. You will see different coins, flexible or fixed term product, APY, annual percentage yield, and lockup periods. Then tap on Simple Earn and select the crypto you want to stake. Enter the amount of crypto you want to stake and review the terms, including the lockup period, expected earnings, and any other conditions. After confirming your details, tap Subscribe. Your crypto will now be staked and you will start earning rewards according to the selected product's APY. You can track your staked assets, rewards, and earnings directly in the Huobi Earn under your portfolio or staking dashboard. Staking crypto on Huobi Earn is a simple and secure way to generate passive income while holding your digital assets. You can choose flexible staking for instant redemption or fixed term staking for higher rewards. Now you know how to stake crypto on Huobi Earn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.